routine. That's probably the beginning when you start, learning English. So, and here I will introduce you to the first phrasal verbs, like get up or wake up. So, wake up is, if we say in Spanish, despertarse. Get up, levantarse. So, how it works? Basically, there's of course the vocabulary. Yeah, we can ask the person if we want. Well, what time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? What time do you get up? And remember, we have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner, have a shower. In American we say take a shower, but have a shower. So let's then remember that we say ¿a qué hora te sales de casa, no? In Spanish, what time do you leave the house? So leave the house is salir de casa. Get dressed, not dressed, but get dressed. Yes, so it's vestirse in Spanish we're talking about. So I get dressed at 6:30. At 6:30. So if you now think about it and imagine there's a clock where the 3, like 12, 3, 9 and 6, no? So on the side of the 3 it's past, on the side of the 9 is 2, where the 6 is half. Yes, so 12 o'clock if it's during the day, so English or British is midday, American noon. Yeah, noon. So let's say 12:05 will be what? Can we say 12:05? 12:05. If it's 12:15, then 12:15. Of course, you will hear a lot of people saying 12:05 or 12:15. On the other hand, we can say 12:30. Half past was a 6, 12:30. So first we say 12:30. No? On the other hand, we can say 12:30. Now, where the 9 is 2. So remember, 2 to 1. Basically, if it's 12, let's say 12:50, no? Then we say 10 to 1. 10 to 1. Or 12:50. 10 to 1 or 12:50. When it comes to the 2 minutes or 3 minutes before the, 1 o'clock or before the 12 o'clock, whatever, then usually there's several ways of saying. One is let's say 2 to 1, 2 minutes before 1, 12:58, or usually people say it's about 1. It's about 1. Now about the daily routine, so we can ask, what time do you leave the house? What time do you have a breakfast? On the other hand, we can ask, what do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast? What time do you get to work? Now the American is get to work, British saying get at work. So it's como arrive, no? Arrive to work or at work. What time do you get home? Or what time arrive home? No? What time do you arrive home? British, what I heard is what time do you arrive at home? Or what time do you get at home? But in America we say, what time do you get home? This is kind of like a daily routine where you can, you probably heard some words and phrases. There's an introduction, get dressed, get up, wake up, leave the house, have lunch, have breakfast, yes, get home, get to work, yeah. So, and clockwise. Now remember, this one is a watch, a wristwatch, and the one which is on the wall, or you got an alarm clock, yeah, or you got on the wall clock, yeah. So there's a watch and clock. They're two different things. Hopefully this little video will help you out somehow. And I told you there's several questions to ask. What time? When you ask about the hour, what time do you get home? What time do you go to work? What time do you leave the house? Or if we're talking about the third person, then what time does she leave the house? What time does she leave the house? What time does she have a breakfast? What time does she have a breakfast? Yeah. Alright, that should be all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.